Hey guys, how you doing? By the way, today is Thursday, September 13th, 2018. And guess what? I'm headed to Dallas. They're having an RV show there. So I'm going to go and spend 2 nights over there in Dallas and check them out. And also taking my sister with me. So hopefully you all enjoy this tour because I'm going to videotape it. And let's see what happens. But this is just a real quick introduction because it is 10 minutes to 7 in the morning. I just got off work and I'm going to be driving 6 hours to Dallas from Houston, Texas. And today there's also a Hurricane Florence headed toward South Carolina, and a tropical storm forming in the Gulf of Mexico headed toward Corpus. So hopefully it won't be so bad, and my prayers will be for the people in the east side where the hurricane's hitting, and hope people get out of there and will be safe, and it won't be as bad as it's predicted to. But anyway, I'm headed to Dallas, and again, I will take y'all with me and see what we can find. I'm looking for hopefully a class B plus or C, and believe me, it's temptation to buy it. But no, I'm gonna wait. I'm just doing my research and see what's out there before I do decide to buy it. Again, I have a year, 9 months now to retire, so we'll see what happens. But anyway, I will keep you informed, keep you in touch. I'll take you with me, enjoy the trip, and see how everything goes. Until then, this is Super G talking. Take care. Okay, this is my sister. She's trying out her new wheelchair.
Here comes a car.
We are here at the Dallas Super Show. There are plenty of cars. Okay, this is Super G. I'm just calling to let you know that we are here in Dallas, and we're getting ready to go in. Hopefully we can find some really good RVs, and I will let you know the prices. And I will be looking at Class B pluses and Class C's, hopefully a 24 footer or less. And let's see what happens. So let's go in and find out. Look at Ariel, just walk around, I guess. This one's list price $99,849. Low price McLean is on sale for $69.95. $69.95. There's a Class C. It's a E450 Super Duty Winnebago. It's nice. This seems like a with, don't know if it's a 27 footer, looks like. Let's go and look at it, sister, see what. Okay, let's go. You can just leave right there, baby.
Yeah.
Come on. Seems spacious. I like the spacious. This is really nice, but they have the one out.
It slides out.
Has space. This is for no drawers. Double sink. Plastic. Storage. Has a nice size refrigerator. A 3 burner. And a microwave, but I think that's a regular microwave, good size.
This is not gonna work.
No,
You also would have to go like that.
we'll just have to. Okay, it's kind of high for my sister. That can't. Let's see. me look over here, sister. Got some more apartments, little dressers. Nice size closet. A little tight.
Do you think it's a 27 for the?
Yeah, it's a 27D. It's nice size here.
Yes.
Has some outlets, USB ports. How you doing, sir? Let me just check this restroom here real quick. Do you see the restroom?
Does Rosie have to take a foot? Yeah.
Has closet. Okay. I like the floor. I like the spacious.
I like the color too.
And that color is really pretty. Oh, and it has also a bed up here.
Yeah.
Which makes it a Class C, of course.
There's a TV over here.
It has a TV.
Which it pulls out.
Pulls out and has felt seats. Automatic. Seems like it has a really nice
Camera.
Camera and dashboard. For $69.
Is
Not bad price.
This is 99.
This one is a Foster by Foster Rivers. It is on sale for $89,987. It's a Class C. It has a nice look. It's regular $91,695, but for today, it's on sale for $89. It's really nice, but it's a little more than what I want to spend.
Yeah.
It has a door. Go ahead. Oh yes, but you can have a lot of space here. But you have no privacy, huh? The shower's back there.
When we need privacy, brother, we'll go to the restroom. Look, and it's got this sliding screen.
Ah, it does have a sliding screen. There's a freezer and a refrigerator. Domestic.
There it goes.
Okay, I'm not feeling this one. I like the size, but it just doesn't feel as a fit full size dinner
Come
plate.
in. We're all doing the same. Yeah.
There's a bed up front, top. Beautiful front. Oh my God, it's a Mercedes.
It's time for less hassle.
It's really, really pretty. And this is basically what I'm looking for. It's a dining table that like a U shape. That's really pretty. Oh, and it has a round, deep, pretty deep sink. Nice faucet. Okay, it has some storage underneath. Quite a few storage. And it also has a small TV and the bed.
Windows all the way around.
Windows all the way around. Nice. And look. Okay. Has dresser and has outlets.
Lots of outlets.
Oh, way large storage. A lot of storage and 4 more at the bottom. And it has a 3. A 3 burner. It's nice, beautiful. Can't say.
Sales, storage, and service.
I'm wondering if it folds up. That's what I'm to a sofa.
Well, I think it has to be because it looks like it's a slide out. It comes in, so this has to go up somehow.
Because it's connected all the way across.
Oh, you know what? They're not slide out. This is just the way it is.
This is just the way it is.
Wow.
So I was thinking there was a button where this would fold over.
Yeah. I mean, I'm pretty sure there's storage underneath the bed.
But when you count on airlines and shady hotel rooms, they let
Pretty
you
pretty.
down.
Has
The beauty of this
new large than ever.
30,000 feet.
It's a conventional oven. Beautiful.
And it's not about the stuff.
Nice backflash.
It's always about the
This has to
Backsplash.
slide up.
Huh?
This has to slide up.
Right. Pretty nice.
experience less hassle.
And there's stairs to go up.
National Indoor RV.
And there's a radio and more storage. The keys and storage. It's nice. This one here is a Forest by Forest Rivers. It's really pretty. It's on sale for $73,467. It's a E450 Super Duty. It's for $70. Look how pretty this one is, sister.
Check out the bathroom.
That's a 3-door. I mean, a 3-burner stove. Look at that neon lighting.
Oh wow.
This is really pretty, but this doesn't feel like it's real leather.
But still, this is nice. You got a sofa and a dining table and a bathroom.
Oh, look at the
This got to
front.
be a 30 or 29.
To expect the best.
The floor is pretty. It is. Has this nice sink there and has a refrigerator.
Double door.
No, single. I mean, it has a freezer and a refrigerator. Oh, it has bunk beds, sister.
Oh wow.
And more storage. Pretty.
See these up steps and down steps?
This is nice. It's just not. My sister won't be able to get on that shower. It's too high. Beautiful color. Nice, nice. And the price is. I think the price is good for this one. The 71.
69.79. Where was it? Oh, for that. Yes.
Look at that. It's beautiful.
This sleeps 6.
6.
2 in the bed, and then the 2 bunk beds 4. This turns into a bed 5, and this turns into a bed.
And up there? You got up there?
Up there.
And 7. Wow.
The beauty of this country is
Yeah, this one's regular price $87,351 on sale for today for $59,999.
That one time in Vegas.
This was a E350 Super Duty Ford Winnebago. I like Winnebagos. I like the price.
Yeah, exactly. Fall out of the room.
Okay. It's simple, it's clean, has a top bed with a big screen. Some cup holders, automatic, felt.
You said we were gonna go up and down the house.
Yeah, no, but one by one. This is for $59.
This is not where we were. We were in that one.
I know, but this one is $59. And it's nice. We have the space.
The sofa and the table. The other one did not have sofa.
And this one has, see, this is plastic.
And they
And-
want to have bunk beds.
Yeah, but you're talking about 89, 59.
Oh, okay,
There's
30,000.
6, yeah. This one has a regular microwave with refrigerator. The bed, it's kind of
This leaves-
tight.
6. 2 on the bed, 2 on the bed, on the table, and 2 up here.
And the shower.
Seeing how the floor is one level?
Yes. You like that?
Yes, I like that.
Yeah, me too. sink. And it has a compartment.
Is there a TV in there, brother?
No.
There's only one TV.
And they have cup holders. And I'm pretty sure this turns into a bed.
Yeah, that one. This one and that.
59 is as of price today, but I'm pretty sure we get down for like 55.
I don't need the bed.
That's the only thing. To crawl into the bed, that's the only
I don't like
downside. Okay.
But I love